Hello everyone and welcome back to the FabuPRO YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be removing outgrown eyelash extensions. There is a few ways of removing eyelash extensions. First, get a hold of the lash extensions, then look for the natural lash that is attached to the eyelash extensions and pull them apart. This is basically what I call the banana peel method. This isn't my favorite way of removing the extensions because sometimes if the natural lash is fragile, it can split, almost like split ends, and then you'll end up with a broken lash, which I will show you what that looks like later on in this video. Secondly, you can hold the natural lash right between the lash line and the extension, where it's almost just outgrown. You do have to hold it very tightly and have a very good grip. I would definitely say to use the center of the tip of the tweezer for a better grip. Otherwise, as you try to pop off the extension, you can accidentally pull the natural lash off, or the tweezer can slide downwards and you can poke the guest, and you kind of don't want to do that. The third way of doing this is to break down the extension. Sometimes the extension is very well attached and you might have to pull the extension apart in order to pop it off or peel it. Keep in mind that you cannot remove every single outgrown extension. That will take a very long time, and by the time that you are done, your guest will barely have any extensions, which will leave you to create a full set. What I usually do is remove as many outgrown extensions at the beginning of the appointment, which would take about 15 minutes per eye, depending on how many outgrown extensions the guest may have. Then I will go ahead and fill the lashes with extensions for the remainder of the time, leaving 30 minutes per eye on average. My fill appointments usually take about 1.5 hours when a guest has a lot of outgrown extensions like this particular guest, because I would like for their extension set to look fresh. I mean, isn't that the point of a fill? I can't always do this, especially if the guest is running low on time, but overall this is our objective. Now I did want to show you what it looks like to cause a natural lash to split. This is why I only try to do the banana peel method only one time, because I don't want the lash to break. But I have always been very transparent with you all, and my best friend, who is currently in my chair being a model, has consent to videos like this in order to educate you all. Please do not do this for your guests. I see lots of people who come in with broken lashes, and that's just not very nice. And though natural lashes do grow and fall off, it's just not nice and unprofessional. You can see that as I attempt the banana peel method, the lash is becoming very thin. I'm gonna stop and do the pop-off method, otherwise the lash is going to peel until the very root, and we do not want that. Now, this is what the lash now looks like. Personally, I don't want to leave the lash split like this, so I will just remove this part of the split lash, which really hurts my heart, but it just has to be done. I'm sure there's going to be so many negative comments, but I choose to be transparent and show you all these situations that you might face in the future. Once you are done removing all of the outgrown extensions, now this guest is ready to get the lashes all prepped and primed with the FabuPRO 2-in-1 cleanser, and you can start filling the lashes. I will not be doing that in today's video because I just wanted to be a very short video specifically for the outgrown lashes, because a lot of people have been asking for that. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that it was informative. Making sure that you use the correct tweezers with good grip makes this process so much better. If you haven't already, go ahead and check out our website, www.FabuPRO.com, and use code ZULY10 for 10% off of your purchase. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video, and until next time, bye! Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you guys are notified whenever we post another video.